Okay, we're going to do Plickers today for the first time, and the way it works is this here. This multiple choice question up here, it has your names. Here's the way it works. If you look at the card in front of you, you have one side that says A on top. So if you choose answer A, you'll hold your card up like this. If you choose B, you find the one that has B on top, and you hold your card up like the following, right? And there's one for C and one for D. Now when you hold them up, I need you to make sure you're not like doing that, because then it can't read the cards, all right? I have found from experience, it reads the cards better when I'm a little further away. These might have a little bit of a glare on them. Sometimes I may ask you kind of hold them, maybe move around a little bit, not but you can hold the cards up. And what will happen is this: when the scanner has read your card, your name will appear colored in here. It won't tell you whether it's right or wrong. It will tell me whether it's right or wrong. We'll go over all the answers, at the end. I don't really care today if you discuss a little bit some of the questions as you're trying to figure it out. This is our practice one to kind of get it down. Everybody got that? So we're going to practice this here, and it's called Plickers with the cards. So, and here's the first question, and I'm sorry, because in order for the phone to work, I have to kind of have the lights on. So I want you to read question one here, which is the following. Relations is a function, and you can see like these popping up right here. Choice A is 1, 2, and 3 only. B is 1 and 2 only. C is 2 and 3 only. D is 3 and 4 only. So what I want you to do is pick one, hold the card up. I'm going to get my phone out. I'm putting it on the Plickers right now, so that everybody pick your answer. You're ready to hold your cards up, and then I'm going to scan in a second. So everybody got one. Even if you don't have your answer, go ahead and pick one. Today's not practice. It's practice. You're not going to get a grade. All right. So ready? Pick one out. So I'm going to pick this up here, and I want to scan. And it's really kind of like it has a little harder time this side of the room. I'll come back to you. I need to pick up yours. When you see your name, but I find this here really the further I stand away, the easier it's popping up on my screen pretty good. All right. So whose name? Who do I not have? Michael's not here. Hands on here, so Alicia, and Dan's doing the filming. And for some reason, it always seems to be like right there. If I move further, oh, your fingers covering that part of I think that's part of it right there. There, yeah, because it did. The second you move your fingers off, it picked it up. So that's real important to know. So I can tell you, this 12 people got it right. I will say the answer was C. All right. So now then, here's question 2. So everybody, look at it in a second, and that is A is negative 5i divided by 2i squared. That's the only way the calculator, like this method, can do the I squared. B is 5i over 2. C is negative 5i over 2. And D is just 5 over 2. So everybody take a second, figure it out, figure out your answers. And then in a second, I'm going to ask you to scan it. And this time, Daniel, if you'll come up here, and maybe if you'll stand behind me, and you can kind of watch the phone as it's showing up on the phone as I go scan these, okay? Which will kind of be a little bit harder. I won't probably start with this group right here. It's a little harder. All right, everybody ready? So ready? Hold up your deals, and you can see you got to turn yours around. Turn yours around. There we go. So as you can see here, as you're holding in yours, okay, pick yours up. As you can see, as I'm trying to stay out of your way. Okay, it's got a lot of glare on hers. That might be why. Okay, there, picked it up. So I'm going to slide back over here now to these right here, these 3. And these are the ones that always seems to, I picked them up pretty quick. Do we have any, who's have we not picked up? Okay. Do we get, okay. And I think we got everybody now?
Yes.
All right. And you can see right there, I can tell red is incorrect, green is correct. And if you look up at the screen over here with the camera, you can see that everybody that has done it, the others are absent. All right. So now then, let's go to question. I'm going to film right there a second. We're going to go to question 3. It's what it looks like right here. I click on it, and as I do that, the screen then changes to that particular question. Okay. So, the answer on the other one was, I think it was B. It was positive 5i over 2. It was positive 5i over 2. Thank you. I forgot to do that. So everybody, pick this one up right here. Pick out an answer. That's the way of saying I square roots of 7. And we know this. It's either going to be what? Negative I 1 or negative 1. So pick out an answer. And you get ready. Everybody, I got to see all the cards up, so we're going to scan. So here we go. We're going to scan. Okay, you may have got your card before, like you had it like all the way up that you wanted. I really think this is pretty cool because like I really found that the further away I stand, the better it picks these up. So that's why I always have trouble with this table right here. Maybe I'll try it. Got those? Okay, who? I got everybody? Yes, yes, we do have everybody. All right, so now then, let's go to our, we had 10 people. Correct answer is I. A, negative I. I'm sorry, A, negative I. Correct answer is A, negative I. And 56% got it correct. Okay, here's question number 4. Question number 4. This is a common, I put a good trick on this one. So everybody think about it a second. Square root, find your answer to this one right here. Everybody find one. Pick it up. I'm going to start seeing some, I'll tell you when to hold it up here in a second. I'm sorry if I applied your weight some there. Dan? Okay, is everybody ready? I'm going to go stand on this side this time to do it to start with and see how it goes. Everybody ready? Okay, so I'm going to hit scan. Didn't pick yours up yet. Okay, you got to hold them. I don't think you picked yours up.
I'm not ready yet.
Not ready? Okay, you got to hold yours up. Did your name? If you see your name come up, then you know we got it. Okay, so who are we lacking?
Me.
Oh, you know what? Hold on.
Did you ready?
Okay, did we get? Okay.
Wait, did you pick mine, Kristen?
Don't. Is your name up there?
No.
Coach, you get ready.
Do it. Oh, I won't do it again.
Oh,
Whatever. Yeah, whatever you put it first time is okay. So, and Ray. Okay, there we go. Yours has got a glare on it from way over there. That picked it up right there. Okay. Counting desk, 32.
Where do you get 32 from?
There's 8. There's 4 sets of 8. 8 sets of 4.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. There's the.
Huh? Okay. All right. Okay, 8. And let's go to the 8. 44% got it right. The correct answer is letter D. It's 2 I square roots, and you got to pull the I out. Don't forget, pull the I out. And y'all, I know 5 times 8 is 40, but we didn't square root anything. Right? That was an easy trick. That's why people, yeah. You got to look for square root numbers, remember? Okay, last question, and this was the hard one. Last question. Oh, wait a minute. Lisa, what happened to my...
It's over.
I should have one more. There we go. There we go. Refresh it up. Okay. So if you would right there, there's the question. All right. Now okay. Yeah, I don't really like the way that kind of like that one kind of works. Okay. It's 5i divided by 1 minus 2i square roots of 2. 5 divided by 1 minus 2i times 1 plus 2i divided by 1 plus 2i. Then you have 1 plus 2i. Then you have d 5 plus 10i all divided by all divided by 5. So pick out the one you think is the best answer. All right. Thought. All right. We are getting ready. Okay, I want to scan. Okay, here we go. Just scan this right here. Picked it up. Did it pick yours up? Okay. Okay, we'll come back. Okay, come on, guys. Hold it right. Don't mess with me there. That was funny. I got to give you credit. Yeah, it was funny a little bit, as long as you kind of come up with the correct one. Okay, who do I not have? Oh, just picked yours up. Okay, so we get everybody. Miranda. You've got right there. And those are the ones that are missing. Okay, the correct answer is letter C. And 10 of y'all got that one correct. All right. I'll go over that in a second. Okay, hey, thank you, y'all. Hey, that was Plickers. Now, y'all will have to keep your cards. And I'll talk more about that because these are the ones we use all the time when we do this.